Alright, so I think this is recording. So this will be my setup 1 video for ECE1145. So I'm just going to go through my program here and then show you 3 different variations of it with multiple numbers of coordinates and then go from there. So these 3 variables here just kind of set up like later on in the program. So this just tells you how many coordinates to input to then test. This is just a variable that just says here's the center, it's at coordinate 0, 0, and then this is just a variable that sets up later on so we can count how many variables are actually inside the circle versus outside. Right here, this is just a for loop, which goes over how many coordinates we have. So this is 1,000, this is 1,000 loops then, and it creates 1,000 different variables. These are the variables that get returned from this function. This function here, it creates a minimum and maximum, and then goes over like a random number of integers and creates that. So this is the random number that it makes here. And then this goes through and just makes it a actual coordinate value, and then it returns that. And it does that for an x value and a y value. And then it takes those and puts it into here, which is just like a Pythagorean theorem kind of thing. So it gets the x value squared and then the y value squared, and then that returns one number, which is how far it is from the center. And then if that number is less than or equal to 1, it adds it to the number being inside the circle. And then down here, it just does the pi equals 4 times that value from however many are inside versus outside, and then it prints it over here. So we'll start it with 100 coordinates. So we'll run that, and we get 2.8, not a great number. Which we do 10,000 coordinates, we get 3.084, which is a lot closer. And if we do 100,000 coordinates, we get 3.12, which is a lot closer. So yeah, that's about it. Pretty simple stuff, I think. Thank you.